If your Swingline 747 stapler is not stapling, this could be an issue. I had a problem where the staples were not going all the way forward to the front. They would stop right about there. And then when the little hammer came down, when the little hammer right there in the center would come down, they wouldn't that wouldn't contact any staple. So there was something jammed in it, and it was really difficult to see. Like, it wasn't like a regular jam staple where you could kind of see that it was there and you were able to get it out. It was jammed way down in the corner, way down in. And it's barely visible. It took me a while to see. That's it, right there. That little piece of staple. When I took it out, everything worked just fine. Stapled just like new. So again, if you're having that issue with this Swingline 747, that might be your issue as well.